Hello, how are you? Today I want to show how to install and customization car vehicle dealership WordPress theme. So let's start. First, you can see here is the appearance. You can see this is the default theme, and when you will go there, the plugin is nothing. So first of all, you need to set up the theme. So you can see when you click here, I just download this theme from the theme forest, and then you can see this is very new one. Just extract here. So after extract, then you will get here some file and folders. For example, you can see demo data, cars main file, car styles, car core plugins. So we just want to set the cars main plugins. So first of all, go there, add themes, and click here. Then go to there, and you can see here. Wait a second. Here is the theme. I just copy the URL space, then click here and select the URL. This is the car and install now. Okay, so after install, then you can see install is successful. Now I need to active the theme. So when I active the theme, then you can see there are some recommended plugin. Every plugin you need to set up very carefully. If you miss any plugin, then demo would not be work. So now install, and here I just want to install all plugins. So here you can see total 12 plugin. Every plugin is very important. So you need to try active all plugins together. If you miss anyone, then you cannot get the proper demo like our website. Okay, so now all are set up, installed successfully. Now go back and return, and then you need to active all plugins. That is very important. So after active, then you can see the new interface from this dashboard. Okay, you can see all plugin is active, but not active this core plugins directories. Okay, then return the dashboard. Okay, so all plugin is active. Yeah, now all are active because you can see there is no showing the message here. Now it's the time to appearance and go to the import demo data. That's very important. So click here and then go there, import, and you need to wait 10 or 15 minute maximum. It's totally depend on your server and internet. If everything is fine, normally sometime it will be work 5 minutes. So it's depend of server and internet. Now you need to wait little bit time. Okay, you can see the demo is complete. So now I just want to go to the setting and permalink and try to figure out the name, make sure the post name it would be selected, then save changes. And while we go the save changes, then you can see here all demo is working fine. Look here, I'll just remove it. Now you can visit here, all demo is working fine. Okay, so now I want to go the customizations. So there are some part that is very essential. First I want to show how to change the color, and look here, when you reload, then you can see this is the text and preloader. So that is very important. Just click car options, and when I click the car options, then we just follow something like this, like for example general. I want to go the general. Here is the dark options. For example, here when you go there, some home maybe, yeah, here is the dark option. If you want to remove, then you can do it from here. So if you want to change the color, for example I want blue color, then save changes and reload. And after reload, then you can see all are the blue color, all are blue color. Yeah, here is the blue, all are blue. So all color is changed, the blue. Okay, now when you go there, then you can see here is the title color. If you want to change the title color, then for example I want to change the title is for example yellow. Okay, then just reload, and then you can see all title is yellow, but it's not looking good. I can make a reset. That's it better. Okay, so you can just explore here and there, and then you can get whatever you want. Then here is the typography. If you want to change the typography, you can do very easily. For example, body font family. If you want the body font Arial black, oh, it's super bold. I want Lucida. Lucida is good. Okay. Then you can see the body font. It would be changed. Look, it's a Lucida. Okay, it changes. So now go there. For example, back to top options. So if you go and scroll down, then you can find here back to top options. So you can also change from here back to top stuff like button, disable, enable, and the preloader. For example, when you reload, then you can see the left side corner is a cancel preloader option. So you can change also from here. And then header. Okay, header. This is very interesting thing. For example, when I open the home one, then you can see here there is nothing mentioned header footer. That's mean this is the default header footer. So if you change the default header footer, then you need to change all of things from the here, like social media, location, phone number, then header language options, header social media, search card, everything. So for example, if you want to change the email address, how can you do this? So this is the email icon. Here is the email address. For example, I want car shop. It's okay, car shop. Okay, I want to do this here also, car shop. Okay, for example, just save changes, and you can see here is the car shop. If change. So this is the default. If you want to disable the language options, how to do this? Here is the language option. You just make a height. Okay, look now. This is very, very, very beautiful. Yeah, you can do. And social media. If you want to hide social media, you can also do this. Okay, social media. But I want to keep show the social media because some customer needs social icons from their website. So I just make it show here, and I want to change how to do this. And this is the button. If you want to do this, here is the button option. So you can add it here. Okay. Okay, now the logo options. Here is the logo. So here is the logo options. You can change the logo stuff. Here is the header style, like sticky menu off on. For example, when you click there and scroll down, you can see this is the sticky. Some customer don't need the sticky. Just make it off, and then you can see here sticky menu is disable. Okay, that's very beautiful. I just make a enable list, and then here when you will go there, here you can see this is the icon of car. If you want to change the car, you can do this here. For example, if you want to this something like this icon, and you can see here that is changes. That's very beautiful. You need to just go down step by step, then you will get each and everything. And mobile menu. If you want to change the mobile menu logo and other thing, you can do something here. Okay, now this is the next step is the block. The block options. If you want to change something like this is the block. Just click here, and then you can find here is the block. So hello world and other things. If you want to change, for example, some customer also don't know how to change this. For example, this is the single pixel. If you want to show here the block slider, then you can also do. How you can do? For example, go there, and here is the block. First, hello world, I just make a trash because there is no need. And then, sorry, make a delete permanently. Okay. Now here is the some post. Okay, I want to do the first blog post, make a make sense and other things. First, like go there the blog, and here is the options. Like here is the right side. Okay, right sidebar. So if you want to change it, you can do. For example, here I want to show without sidebar. Now you can see here showing all pictures, yeah, full screen. So here is the picture is small, that is why it's showing something like this. But when you put here the big picture, then you can do also very easily. Now I want to show every row 2 column. Look here, it's 2 column, and showing is good. Okay, now if you want to change this address, comments, how to do this, go there, blog title. Here, look here, this is the latest news. If you want to change this text, like here the custom title, our news, we just changed only simple, and then you can see the latest news replace our news. Okay, that's good. And now here you can see this is the lot of text. If you want like 20 text, 20 what, now you can see here is showing good only for 20. Okay, now if you want to change here, you can see here the read mode. If you want to change like learn more text, okay, then save changes, then you can see it's showing learn more. So that is the very interesting things that you need to just go through every step by step, then you will get lot of things here. So now I want to show single block. Let's go, just click here, look here. If you want the single block, then you can change also something like this. For example, post blog post title position, okay, on header or below of thumbnail. For example, so title position, you know, is the header. So when you click here, then blog detail custom title, but that is not good, it is okay now. So tag, if you want to remove the tag, then here the tag would be removed, that this tag would be removed. Let's see, save changes and checking. Now the tag is removed. Now if you want to disable the share option, you can also do this. Okay, yeah, now you can see here the option of post navigation, I want to disable it. So you can disable all of things in the author box. If you want to remove author box, you can also do this. Okay, yeah, now it's only for single options. Okay, now here is fine. Now is the metadata. Metadata is all of the blog post the same metadata. So look here, go there, and then you can see here is the meta information. I don't need the comment. So if you don't want to comment, just make it disable. And look here, yeah, comment is disable. So that's it for the blog part. So now I want to go through page breadcrumb. That is also another very interesting things. For example, every page when you click about, news, contact, so you can find all are the same pictures, but customer want different page, different picture. How to do this? Normally blog page you can change all of picture from here, and shop page you can change here, archive also here, search here. Okay, but about page, if you want to change the about page, the blog background pictures and contact page also, I want to show how to do this. So normally go there, okay, go there and click here the page meta and breadcrumb setting, and click here the page setting, then click and change the pictures from here. So go there, I want to change the picture, yeah, oh no, this is very small pictures thing here. Okay, this is black, okay, I just change the black. The about page I want the black pictures, and Now you can see about page the picture essence. Picture essence, interesting. And blog, a contact page. If you want to do this, go there and here settings and breadcrumb. Let's reload. I just want to see. Yeah, I just want to use this and substance. Then you can find here the contact page is a different picture. So you can do something like that. Every section is a different picture. If you want, here is a lot of space. If you want to minimize the space, you can also do some here. Here is the breadcrumb top button. For example, I want to do here 80 and here also 80. Then sections. Then you can see here the space is minimized. Yeah, that's very interesting things. Okay, now listing page. Listing also very important because most of the customer sometimes they don't know how to do this. Like read more, go to the listing, like all listing. Then you can see here the listing or listing page not showing because here is a 2. So here is the 2 listing page. So if you want to remove, then it would be good. For example, all listing here is 2. I just want to remove it. Okay. Then trash. I just make all permanently delete. Okay. Now let's see what will happen. Okay, still now it's listing. I don't know why, but I will fix it. So listing here you can see sort it out. Look here, the listing page you can change the sort listed by and button read more. So normally if you want to show the listing, you need to go. Wait a second. So here you can see there is no listing found here and listing page 2 because when we just create the demo data, the listing by default is added here. I just make a delete it. Okay, then we can find only one listing for here. This is the all listing. So we need to go there, appearance, menus, and when we will go there, menus, the primary menus. Then here you can find all listing. Search here all. Yeah, all listing this. Just add new, and here you can see is added. This listing page we need to add. Go there here. Inventory. Okay, then save changes. Now when anyone click the inventory, then all listing is showing. Yeah, all listing 2 is not working. So just a second, I just make it. Okay, here inventory here. Yeah, now you can see this is the all listing, but the URL is okay, but it's not showing still now. Why? Because you need to go the here listing, the delete all, and just I want to edit 1 and 2. One for Wrangel Rover and another for Ferrari. So I just go there and update, and again go there and update. Okay, and now you can see the 2 listing is showing here. Can you see? Yeah, but the problem is pics are not showing. What is the reason? The reason is here, the pixel. Go there and you can see there is no pixel mentioned. You need to add here the pictures. For example, I want to add this one, update, and same things. Okay, and go there and update here, preview, second pictures here, then update. Okay, we need to put here phone number. This is very essential, otherwise it would not be update. Same thing also here. You need to put here the phone number. Oh, sorry, here. Update it. Where you go here? Phone number. Okay, then you can see the listing here. The two picture is showing. Look, yeah, it's showing good. So a listing details, single property, how to do change this, all of things we will be include another video we release together. So this video, that video you can check how to add listing, edit listing, and sidebar, each and everything. Okay, I just want to show the basic part here because video would be little bit lengthy. That is why we just skip this. Okay. So now we need to go to the author page. Here is the author text, how to change style. Is the 404 page. Here is the WooCommerce page. So let's do the WooCommerce. So if you want to go the WooCommerce, so go there. Like here, shop. Look, this is the shop here. So you can change their layout. For example, here you can see full width. If you want to left side is sidebar, then click and select and reload. Then you can find here left side showing the sidebar, but no data showing here. No data show because go there, widget, and here shop sidebar. Okay. Shop sidebar, go there, click here, then here is the shop sidebar, click here, WooCommerce here, brand, layout, store, review, for example, with the showing here WooCommerce review. Then reload, and then you can find here WooCommerce review showing here. So that is the beautiful things. All shop you can change. Here is the 4. If you want, you can change also. Go there, WooCommerce. Like here is 4. If you want, you can change the 3. Here, per page 3. 3's look better. Look here. Look, yeah, it's pretty good. So in this way, you can change all of things here. You just explore here and there, and then it would be good for us. Shop details page, similar product, related product, text, you can change from the here. Okay, now the gallery, there is nothing here. Subscript, if you want to change the subscript, you just put here the MailChimp API key and MailChimp. You will go the Google and they will provide MailChimp. Now, another thing, this social media, I want to remove the Behance. So if you want to change the remove the Behance, let's go there and delete the Behance icon sections. Now you can see the Behance is deleted. Okay, so now this is the footer. Here is the footer, preview footer, all informations. Okay, now I want to go other page like bike dealership. If you want to go bike dealership, you can see here is the header 1, but footer is not mentioned. That is footer means footer is the default. So if you want all pages, like I want the bike is the first look, how to do this? If you want the bike home is the first look, then click the reading and then click here, then here is the option bike dealership. Okay, here. When you click here, then you can see bike dealership is the first look. Okay, if you want, you can delete also all pages here. There is no problem. So let's delete other pages. There is no need. So here I just give bike dealership and others pages. I just want to delete it. Okay, remove. Then here we just replace here home. Save menu. Then you can find here Yeah, the bike dealership. But I want all pages the same header. Contact page is a different header. For example, here we can see there are 5 header. I want all pages for header 2. Another home I just make a trash. Because for future if you need, then you can go back there. And footer, I want also footer 2. Then click here and header, click, and then click the header builder and select here header 2 and go to the footer builder, select here footer 2. Now the issue is click here and then you can find here the header is you need to change here because all things we should handle by theme options. Okay. Yeah, it's loaded. Okay. Now you can go and click here the setting. Then here, oh, everything is fine. Header builder. Click here. Okay, all are pre-built. Now you can find all homepage same header and same footer. Go there. I just want to remove all and click about page. This is also fine. Contact. That is also fine. So in this way you can change this and everything. For example, most of the customer don't know how to change this text. This is also very important, you need to know. For example, edit with Elementor. And then you can find here the form, click here. This is the contact form 3. So go there and here's the contact. And then here contact form 3. You need to edit here. Okay, now you can change here whatever you want. The defensive driver like safety driver I want to put here. Look, the contact page, I sense all of things here. And safety driver, okay. So in this way, this is the basic setting and property, how to change the listing, and we also publish another video. Hope so both video it will be very helpful for set up our theme. Thank you so much for the basic customization and setup, and advanced setting will release as soon as possible.